Zero-turn mowers often cause steering arm dampers to fail due to their frequent use. Today, we're going to explain how to replace the damper on our zero-turn mower. Remove the nuts on both ends of the damper with an open-end wrench. Of course, this is a relatively small location for our demolition, so we'll need to spend some time here. After removing the nuts at both ends and the bolts, the damper can be taken down. We then plan to replace it with the Gasstack damper. This is our Gasstack manufactured damper with end fittings on both ends. The damper contracts due to the force, and you can see that its resistance is still relatively large. The Gasstack damper is coated with a black spray-painted body to prevent rust, and its rod is made with a black night-righted shaft for rust prevention. Install the new damper in its corresponding position, ensuring that the installation direction matches the original direction. We inserted the connecting pins previously removed with the old shock absorbers into the holes at each end of the shock absorbers. Thread the bolt through the hole and screw on the nut to hold the damper in place. We recommend installing new shock absorbers in pairs for optimal performance, safety, and reliability. Pairing new shock absorbers with older units may result in uneven damping characteristics, as the new shock absorbers have not yet worn in. Our dampers come with a 2-year warranty and a promise of 20,000 cycles of service life. In terms of delivery, we have a fast delivery time of 14 working days. And there are various shipping methods, such as air and sea transportation, depending on your choice. Of course, the dampers we produce are also competitive in terms of cost effectiveness. If you have any questions about specification choices, you can contact us using the email below the video. Alternatively, you can visit the Gasstack website to leave your contact information. After the installation is complete, we run a test to check the final results. We will be uploading new videos continuously. Subscribe to see all our latest content. To purchase it, please visit our website at www.gasstack.com.